Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer resumes to Lever HR with Zapier, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer resumes to Lever HR with Zapier, start by ensuring you have accounts for both Lever and Zapier. Log in to your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button to begin creating a new workflow. In the Triggers section, select the app where your resumes are currently stored. For example, if your resumes are in Google Drive, choose Google Drive as the trigger app. Next, select the specific trigger event, such as New File and Folder. Connect your Google Drive account to Zapier by following the on-screen instructions. Choose the folder where your resumes are located. Test this trigger to confirm Zapier can access the correct folder. Once the trigger is set up, click Continue to move to the action step. In the Action section, search for and select Lever as the action app. Choose the action event, such as Create Candidate. Connect your Lever account to Zapier by providing the necessary credentials. Map the resume data fields from your Google Drive to the corresponding fields in Lever. For example, connect the name and email fields to their Lever counterparts. Ensure that you also upload the resume file in the correct format. Once you've completed the mapping, click Continue to review your setup. Test the Zap to make sure the resumes are transferring correctly to Lever. If the test is successful, you can turn on your Zap. The connection will now automatically transfer new resumes to Lever whenever they are added to the specified folder. Congratulations, you have set up an automated process to streamline your resume management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.